This is Alex from Science Tellers, here with Ken, and we're going to show you how to run the potato launcher experiment. So for this, we need 3 pieces. The 2 pieces of our potato launcher, we have our plunger and our straw, and we need a potato. You want to make sure you have a potato that's big enough that you can punch 2 holes in it. That way you just don't have to swap them out mid-experiment. So when you do this with volunteers, they're going to help you out with our first part. So one volunteer is going to grab the middle of the straw, and they're going to use both hands, so that way we can make sure that they're not getting that hand anywhere that's going to be a problem. Alright, and we're going to push down on 3. You're going to make sure you have one hand on the potato, just holding it steady. Just make sure you don't cut yourself. And you're going to put the straw onto the potato. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Push down. Twist the potato a little. And you pull it back up. 1, 2, 3. And if you twist the potato a little, it makes pulling it out a little bit easier. Next, we're going to take our plunger, and we're just going to push that first piece of potato in just a few inches. So you want to make sure your hand is below the plunger, below the black stopper, just like with the second half of the experiment. Just going to push it in just a few inches so that way you have some room later. There we go. Alright, there we go. And now, I'm going to swap volunteers. Awesome. And we're going to do it again. So they're going to grab the middle of the straw, both hands, and we're going to push down on 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Give it a twist. Pull it back out. Now, you're going to bring both volunteers in front of our table. Alright, one volunteer is going to stand over on the side. They're going to run over and grab the potato after you launch it. Other volunteer is going to grab the end of our plunger. Yep, you're going to put your hands over theirs. Make sure that both of your hands are below the black stopper on the plunger, otherwise you might cut your hands. And you're going to put the plunger into the straw on the side where there is the potato we pushed in. Now you're going to make sure your other volunteer, they're going to have their hand behind their back, just so that way we know where it is. Alright, and we're going to fire it on 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Awesome!
Nice job, dude. Up top. Bam!
After the show, you want to make sure you clean off the straw and plungers, that way they don't get gross over the summer. What you're going to do, you take a wet paper towel, just run along the outside of the plunger, make sure that's all nice and clean. And then you take a little bit of balled up wet paper towel, and you're going to push it through the straw, just like you do with the potato. And you just push it through, and that cleans off the inside of it.